Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on doing a new feature that Google just added, which is turning a photo into a video. So this is a pretty cool feature from before because instead of just typing in a prompt and letting it create a text to a video, now you're actually able to create a photo or upload any photo you want and then turn that into a video. So it's an image to video generator as well. So it's fairly simple to do. First, what you want to do is go on gemini.google.com. Once you're on that, you have to make sure to toggle on video in order for it to display. So my tactic on creating it is I'll go on ChatGPT and then I got two prompts. So one for image generation and then the other for the Google VO3 prompt. So you'll want to go on labs.google/fx, and then from there you're going to click on image fx, which is Google's image generator. So once you click on that, it will take you here, and then from here what I'm simply going to do is copy and paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Okay, and this is just a random cinematic prompt. So you click create, and then it takes about like 30 seconds to a minute, or actually even quicker. So it's already done. Okay, so just a random prompt here, or a random image. So what you can do here is just take the best photo that you think works for you. So just analyzing it. This one's kind of awkward, right? She's kind of in a she's turned away from the TV. This one's horrible. The one that makes sense is probably one of these two right here. So I'm just gonna download this. Okay, and then once I download that, I can now add the photo here. Okay, maybe that's not gonna work. Okay, so we'll just do it like this. So now the image is uploaded. From there, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and then use the video generation prompt now and paste it here. Okay, so sometimes you get messages like this where it says you can't generate the video for whatever reason. I don't think it broke any policies, but what I'll do is I'll have ChatGPT just give me another scene. Please provide me another scene. Okay, let me so we'll just use an animal for this example here. Okay, so now I want to go back to image FX. It's actually good that we went through an error like that because sometimes it won't allow you to create certain images. I don't think, like, it doesn't seem like the image I created before, didn't break any policies, but you just don't know with Google. So I'm going to download this, and then same step as last time, just upload it here. Now the video is ready, and as you can see, it successfully generated a photo to video, and it came out pretty good. It looks pretty similar to the photo we had here, so nothing changed from the photo. So simple as that. Just to sum up the video, go to labs.google and make sure you go to ImageFX. You type in a prompt. You use ChatGPT to help you out. And then from there, images generate. Choose the best one that you like. From there, you're going to upload it here and then type in your video prompt, and then it'll be able to generate a photo to video. If you did like the video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any recommendations on other videos, feel free to comment that below. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.